Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we're going to talk about key tools to use on a daily basis. So to help you in your systems creation, you need to use the right tools. And the following that I'm going to show you are some tools that I found helpful in my own business on a daily basis. There are, of course, way more tools than what I'm going to show you, but these are the ones that have proven to be the most effective for me and my team. And they're pretty straightforward, and I'm going to break them down by product. By topic. Also, just to let you know, I'll put links to all of these in the notes for this lecture, excuse me. So first of all, email. Email, of course, we use every day. With this, it's very simple. It's either Gmail or Outlook. Both you can use to process your business email as the you@yourbusiness.com. Personally, I use Gmail because I use it both for personal and professional emails. I like it, and I'm slowly abandoning all things Microsoft. So Gmail works great for me. Okay, so productivity and team collaboration. In the next lecture, we're going to talk about how to build your team, but you need to know how to work with your team members. So I have listed Asana, Basecamp, and Trello. And after using Basecamp for a while, actually for a long time, Asana is now my favorite. And the best part about it is it's free. And I love it. It's very customizable. You can change it to fit your needs. It's free. It's free up to a point. We have never had to go beyond the free, so it works great. Basecamp was something like $30 a month, which wasn't bad for what it was. It was a great tool. Though I haven't used it personally, I have also heard good things about Trello as well. So file storage. It really boils down to Google Drive or Dropbox. Generally, Dropbox is very easy to use, and most people by now have heard about it. Google Drive is the same as Dropbox, and it gives you a lot of storage, and it was cheaper. For a long time, it was about half the cost of Dropbox, but recently Dropbox made some price changes, and they're about the same. I think last time I checked, it was like $10 for 1 terabyte of data, which is crazy. So both Dropbox or Google Drive, it depends what you want to do. In-house, we use Dropbox when sharing files with clients, and we use Google Drive internally. Note-taking, hands down Evernote. I like to think of Evernote as a digital extension of my brain. So you can clip you can clip notes from websites online, you can create notebooks, you can even tag your notes for easy finding. It's a great, great note-taking resource, and I actually am kind of scared to think how much I personally depend on it. With CRM, you want to make sure that you stay in touch with your clients. You want to make sure that you stay in touch with your prospects and have a way to manage that. Streak provides a great service. It actually integrates with your Gmail, and what's great about it is it's free. And when you're first starting out, Streak is all the CRM that you ever need. In fact, if you need something more robust, though, as you get bigger and move up the food chain, something like Highrise or Salesforce might be very good solutions for you. Highrise is it's part of the 37 Signals family, which is the same as Basecamp, and it's a great product. As far as bookkeeping goes, QuickBooks, when getting started, QuickBooks works perfectly. In fact, it actually has a number of pricing options based on your own business needs. With business templates, it's real simple. Either Microsoft, so business templates is referring to any of the invoices or reports or anything like that. First starting out, if you have Microsoft Word, they have templates for pretty much everything that you want. Or of course online. I always like to look up if there's something. Let's say you want to liven up your game plan. Then you can just go online and put online proposal, or excuse me, you can just put a sales proposal template or something like that, and you'll find tons of different resources that you can use and then customize and make to whatever you want. And that's it for the tools that we use on a daily basis. Again, I'm going to put these all in the notes and with links to them. And let me know if you have any questions on any of these tools. And I'll see you in the next lecture.